Hello and welcome to a Roblox scripting tutorial on creating parts using Roblox methods. First off, we're going to start with creating parts via script. Now to do this, you need to use Instance.new. This creates a new instance with two arguments. An argument is something you put in the parameters. You can have multiple of them. Example, this would be an argument. Then here can be another argument, meaning this parameter contains two arguments. Now the first argument for Instance.new is a string. We want to create a part. The string is basically going to be here from the class name. That's basically what you type. There are two arguments for Instance.new. Sure, running this would create a part, but where would it be? The second argument is the parent. So you would want game.workspace, meaning when this is ran, this code, there would be something named part inside of workspace. Now when you do this, you're going to want to make it a variable. Let's call it part equals. This way we can reference the part. So say there's something else called part in this workspace, it wouldn't know which part you're referencing, which could cause a problem because it cannot go on every single part, just one, and it'll be the first one it finds, named part. So now that we made a variable, and this would be creating it, we would want to, let's say, manipulate a property, make its position change. Actually, we can make it C-frame change. So part.cFrame equals game.workspace.baseplate.cFrame times cFrame.new 0. That's an X axis. Y axis we can do 5. In the Z axis we can do 0. Now when you code, you want to make it easy to read for people. When I do this, I like to space out in here by the commas, and when I use a operator like multiplication, space them out. When I get into functions, I'll teach you about tabbing your code, but right now I don't have to worry about this. You don't have to worry about that. So first you see part.cFrame equals this cFrame, meaning this will go, the part will be in the middle of base plate, and then times. That means in the y-axis, the part will be up 5 studs. Right here. It'll go up 5 studs. So let's run this in, run a command. Now we go to it, and you can see it's about 5 studs above. Now that's creating it a part with instance. Now you can't just do, you can do more than just part. You can do, say, script. Of course, now that it's script, doing this will just error, because cFrame is not a property of script. And you really don't want the variable to be a part, because that doesn't make sense. We're not doing a part. And if you did lowercase s, that would not work, because as you see, that's referencing script. You don't want to make a variable of something like this. We can call script, run this code, and now we have another script, which has nothing in it. Now for ROBLOX methods. Methods are unique functions that are for specific instances, such as destroy. We can reference our base plate first with a variable. Now, base, first, let me just copy this part so the script will show you what the methods are. Now you see I just did a colon. This is for a method. Now you type that, and you see every method available to this part. There's a bunch of them you can use. Like resize, and so on. I was talking about destroy. This would make baseplate disappear. Not really just disappear, but not exist. Yeah. Now, this takes no arguments inside. Nothing goes here. There are like Roblox functions such as wait, and the argument inside is how long you want to wait. Put in a 5, the script will yield, meaning the script will not run any code when it reaches here for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will continue on. So, you can put no number inside, and this will still fire, but the time, it has a default time at this point that is very small. And if you were to print wait, you will see how small it is in the output. This is how long that wait would be in seconds. Wait is in seconds. If you want to wait a minute, you have to type 60. There's also another that I just used called print. Anything inside here uses a string as the argument, or it can be a variable of a string, and it will print this into output. For example, I just printed wait, which has a value of a number, so it printed this number. It can also print numbers, as you should know now. So, that seems just about good enough for this tutorial. The next tutorial will be about local scripts, and module scripts. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.